This is a good example of what we're cleaning up here in the new yard. This engine's been sitting here upside down for literally decades. It's been sitting here so long that the oil pan is rusted out. You can see it is literally sunk that far down into the dirt. So this stuff is just in my way. It needs to be cleaned up, picked up. So that's kind of what we're focusing on this stuff we're cleaning up out of the new yard. Anything that can be salvaged or used or possibly repaired, obviously that stuff isn't going. But this stuff has been sitting here so long and is so bad, it's literally just in the way, and it needs to get out of the way and be gone so I can get things organized. Here's some of the stuff we've been digging out of the ground. You can see how bad some of this stuff really is. Been laying there on the ground, open to the elements for decades. Oil pans literally rusted out. Everything just buried in the dirt, froze to the ground. So that's why this stuff's going in for iron. Obviously, like you guys know, I don't get rid of anything that can be saved, but most of this stuff here is pretty much beyond saving. You can look at this old flathead and see how nasty this is, how long this thing was buried in the ground before we just plucked it up to clean some stuff up. So there's kind of a quick example of why some of this stuff is going in for scrap, because it is so bad. You can see all the moisture on this one, because that's when he picked that transmission up. It was just full of water and a little bit of oil just pouring out of it. So that's why a lot of this stuff is going in for scrap. It's just so far gone and so bad that you don't really see how much of it can be saved. Another one of these fresh out of the ground engines. You see how deep this thing was buried after sitting here and soaking in and sinking for all these years.